Hey y'all, welcome back. As some of you might know, I've moved back to North Carolina from Texas. So in Texas, I got my car's window tinted 20% all the way around. There might have been a law, but no one cared and it wasn't enforced, at least where I lived, it wasn't enforced. Here, however, it is strongly enforced and the rules are kind of ridiculous. So here in North Carolina, the rule for sedans is 35% all the way around. Front windows, back windows, rear window, nothing on the front. So for SUV and trucks, it's 35% on the front windows, and anything behind the passenger, or excuse me, anything behind the driver can be anything. So the rule is different, but depending on what kind of vehicle you have, which is kind of silly. So for a sedan, it can be only as dark as 35%. And since this is 20, no one will touch this to register it. I've gone everywhere, I've asked everybody, and they have really cracked down. They're busting all kinds of shops that are passing people with dark tint. So the tint's got to come off. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I saw a YouTube video that showed a way to get your tint off that I thought was kind of interesting, and I wanted to test it. And the way that they did it was they got a trash bag, some soapy water on the inside, put the trash bag over it, and then use a heat gun on the outside for, I don't know, about 15 minutes or so. So they pulled the tint off and there was no residue left over. So we're gonna put that to the test today. All right, so I got my soapy water. It's Dawn and just water mixed together, and I have my trash bag here. So let's go ahead. The video I saw, actually, they used a hair dryer, and they said even a hot day would be good enough, but I think a hot day is kind of subjective. It's probably 75 here right now. Some people that's hot, but there's no direct sunlight. So we're gonna put it on low setting and just go over about 45 minutes, or excuse me, 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been a little while, so we're gonna roll the window down a little bit so we can try to get an edge. Won't come with my fingernails, so got a straight razor, try to get it started. All right, so did it leave any residue? Well, I can't see any, and it's not sticky. So, yeah, it worked. I mean, the window needs cleaning, but it's not sticky at all. Righto. Let's go to the next window. Window number 2. see, starting this corner here. All right, so all I did was start it there in the corner a little bit. So let's peel just real slowly. No residue at all. I'd say this is confirmed, it works. Okay, here we go. No tint. Now it's time to go get an inspection. All right, y'all, it's the next day. Look, no tint on the windows, but I passed inspection. So look forward to the next video where I put tint back on. See you next time, bye.